Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will introduce the Perl DBI module, the standard database interface for Perl. DBI allows you to connect to the various databases, execute SQL queries, and manage your data seamlessly. Whether you are working on MySQL database or PostgreSQL or SQLite or any other database, DBI provides consistent way to interact with database. So let's dive in. First thing is, what is Perl DBI? So as per definition, DBI stands for database interface. It is core module that defines set of methods for database connection. To connect to a specific database, you need to install corresponding DBI driver. That is, for MySQL, you have to install dbd and then colon MySQL. For SQLite, dbd SQL SQLite, and similarly for the Postgres dbd pg. So these drivers we need to install. Advantages are using DBI ensure the portability, consistent and ease of switching database with minimal code changes. So now let's start with installation, and first we need to install CPAN DBI. So for that we just need to write here. I'll just switch to command prompt, and here we have to just install. So I'll go into the database folder. Although installation is global, so you can install and it will be installed globally. CPAN install DBI. This is first command that we need to execute, and after that we need to, if we need to work on SQLite, we have to install SQLite, and similarly we can see that. Now Perl DBI is installed. Next thing that we will do is we have to install database driver, that is MySQL, SQLite and PG, and then we have to make connection and test it whether it's working or not. See you in the next video.